give up, dog, now stop try. Have to get up, dog, no wait one time, bang your line, you fuck, dog. Yeah, for just believe, you know.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Breaking news: dancehall artist Jamal, whose real name is Tyvel Dixon, was taken into police custody on Friday following a performance at Mecca nightclub in St. Andrew. The authorities say they are questioning him in connection to gang-related activities. Now, Jamal, also known as One Dunce Man, you know, everybody know that, is accused of leading the Dunce gang in Barratttown, St. James. While he has been named a person of interest in 3 murders, the police clarified that he is not currently a suspect. However, detectives from the Criminal Investigation Branch Specialized Operation are investigating his alleged ties to organized crime. During Jamal's arrest, 2 phones were confiscated and he is expected to remain in police custody. So the police them all upon him and them not let him go, because they must say, yo, until investigations are concluded, they will keep the artist in jail. Alongside Jamal, 11 other men from Kingston and St. James were also detained, with at least 4 of them suspected to be members of the Dunce gang. Jano, you let me know what you think about this situation in the comment section. Now, this is the 3rd time a dancehall artist has been brought in or named as a person of interest by the police. First, it was Skipper Don in relation to One Daddy Badness, you know, one other gang done, Thickman. Then Kipridge, who was also brought in and charged and released on bail in relation to Klansman gang. And now we have Jamal. So this seems to be a pattern for law enforcement to deliberately target, you know, they're targeting dancehall artists, or is this simple just a coincidence? Because we know in Jamaica, the government and the police love to blame dancehall artists and music for everything. For years, dancehall and crime have been intertwined in public debate, with authorities, you know, link dancehall artists to criminal activities and their lyrics, you know what I mean? Or some people might just say this is just an attempt to clamp down on crime and violence in Jamaica, you know what I mean, that we know is running rampant right now. Or, you know, some people will just say them just don't like the entertainers and dancehall is just, you know what I mean, the scapegoat. Now, as investigation unfolds, you know, fans and even people in the dancehall community will look at this extremely closely, including Vybz Kartel, because, you know, Vybz Kartel was recently released from prison, and Vybz Kartel is the artist that is pushing Jamal's career right now. You know what I mean? His favorite song is Ballon d'Or, and Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, pushing that song really have done great things for Jamal and made that song even bigger. So Kartel in America right now will see this and will not feel good about, you know, the artist being locked down and the artist not being released. Again, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, Quada reposts a video from someone who did some digging and concluded that he was not the person in the video circulating on social media involving a female. This is the video.
Oh, people, when I see the video, dancehall artist Quada, you know, the man I walk a eat, the man I walk a piss, and he record everything and I post it by himself on the internet. I walk go on with Quada, like the man I go insane star. Yo, none of that. But come for be the bearer of good news. That is not dancehall artist Quada. The person you see on the screen now goes by the name of Big Boy J. He's an American corn star. Look at this picture and identify this person. Me and wait. It look like Quada though. No man. I'm not Quada. A Big Boy J. Look at the monitor and identify this person. It look like Quada though. I'm not Quada. A Big Boy J. People. The 2 of the man them look identical. I can't lie. Them have the little more thing beside of them nose just the same. Them having the same twist them. Yo, the man them look identical. I not tell no lie. Them always say I have a twin out there, you know. But me I tell you say anybody who got dig up blood clot a Quada twin ya, burn a phone because now try to tear down the artist's career. I don't know what I want to have against Quada. But me I tell you, so when I receive the video, I'm look on it, me I say blood clot, a Quada this, you know. You see me? And me I look panta good and me I say, no man, I'm not Quada this. Then me I think and me I say, yo, me a Jamaican. Which Jamaican artist in a history I go record themselves I do this? Then after other state for post it or send to the girlfriend for she leak it. We don't know. We never see that in a history yet. So as someone say, yo, I'm gonna do some digging up and really find the truth and get to the top of this. No bottom. Why? Get to the top of this. And as someone gonna do the digging up and see it, say, yo, at the American corn star we based out of California when name Big Boy J video, them start surface and say a Quada. Nothing like that, people. Another artist. Big up on yourself. Quada, bless up my J. I'm Mountain, and I'm out.
At one point, I say, yo, this not really look like Quada, especially, you know, because we can't see the beard, you know what I mean? Unless it was an old video and the girl just decides, say, yo, she gonna leak the video right now, you know what I mean? But if it's not Quada, then good for the artist. The artist can use this opportunity to come back, drop a music, drop a song, something, and, you know, and come back in a dancer, use this as a comeback if it's not him. If it is in fact Quada, then you know the Quada career is done. Quada career finish in a dancer. We just know that, right? So that's the video for today. Again, let me know what you think about the Quada situation, the Jamal situation, or in ReggaeMedia. We keep you informed.